What if I told you that in the 1930s, people were already camping in futuristic fiberglass pods that looked like they could fly to Mars? Yeah, long before Elon Musk, there was Aerolux. Ladies and gentlemen, picture this. I'm rolling down the highway in something that looks like it escaped a 1940 sci-fi comic, and my buddy Dave yells, "Did you build that thing or time travel with it?" That's when I realized I wasn't just towing a camper. I was towing history. And that, my friends, is the magic of the Aerolux Fiberglass DIY Teardrop Camper Kit. Now let's talk about this aerodynamic beauty. The Aerolux Teardrop Camper Kit comes straight from the golden age of streamlining. That late 1930s vibe when everything from locomotives to toasters looked like it belonged in a wind tunnel. For $2,995, around 2,600 euros, you get a full set of molded fiberglass panels, sidewalls, inner and outer doors, and those sleek fender skirts that scream retro cool. The kit even includes a USB drive with build instructions, because apparently even nostalgia comes with tech support these days. But here's the twist. You get the shell, not the soul. You've got to supply your own trailer frame, insulation, wiring, and all the creature comforts. I believe that's part of the fun, the satisfaction of saying, "Yeah, I built this thing," while pretending you didn't spend 3 weekends arguing with your neighbor over which end of the wrench to use. The final result depends on your creativity and elbow grease. Some folks turn their Aerolux into full-on glamping pods with galleys in the rear hatch, complete with fridges, microwaves, and countertops. Others strip it down for lightweight adventure hauling. The design's curved fiberglass body is perfect for vinyl wraps, aluminum detailing, or that hand-painted pinstriping that Dave's cousin swears he can do for cheap. In terms of size, these campers generally weigh under 1,000 pounds, around 450 kilograms, once completed, making them towable by just about anything, even a small crossover. Add a roof rack, throw on an AC unit, maybe a solar panel or two, and you've got a vintage camper that'll turn more heads than a supercar at a campground. I think what I like the most about the Aerolux is its flexibility. You can build a bare-bones sleeper, a full mini apartment, or a show-stopping retro cruiser that makes strangers whip out their phones for photos. The fact that these kits are still floating around, despite Aerolux's last activity back in 2020, that just adds to the legend. Their official website is still online, so if you send an email and actually get a reply, let me know. I've been waiting longer than a microwave burrito takes to cool down.